everyone, this is Kaissa. I'm going to be teaching you how to make some chicken vegan Alfredo. Yes, you heard vegan. So this is a recipe from my mama that she had taught me, and now me teaching to you guys, so I'm giving her credit. What you are needing is 1 cup of cashew. Soak it a day before for 8 hours, or last minute, boil for 30 minutes. The reason why is because there's a phytic acid around the cashew, which is this enzyme that our stomach doesn't accept. And when you do consume it, we tend to release it, and it ends up being a fart. So it's kind of normal, but let me tell you this, it's not supposed to be normal. You can find the phytic acid on seeds, onion, legumes, and cereal boxes. You'll be surprised. So that's why you feel bloated. And if you do, prevent that by just soaking. Alright, next move, you're going to have a red onion. As you can see, it's already chopped. And next clip is going to need 6 cloves garlic. And if you see some text scrolling up, it's just me sharing you some benefit when you do consume that, and fun fact that what you're doing to your body and how you're preventing from having any disease. So there you go, guys. So do me a favor, chop those 6 cloves in half. And we're going to put it in a fry pan. As you can see, it's already there. You're going to dump the red onions and the garlic right there. So remember, this is oil free, so therefore use vegetable broth if you do have. If not, water is optional. So you're going to pour it, and you're going to sprinkle some black pepper, some dash of it, and some salt. So just do as much of your preference as you want, and with a little kick, just letting you guys know, some paprika if you want that little bit spice. But as for me and my roommates, we love spicy food, so this is why I put paprika. But let's make it too spicy. I highly guarantee it's not too spicy. So anyways, let's get started. Going to the stove, we're going to fry that baby, but remember, it's not oil. Watch. And here it goes. And the magic just starts from here in the kitchen when you put some love. And does it look like there's oil? No, it's not. So there you go, folks. Proof you can cook your food with no oil. Next up, you're going to need some plant-based milk, which you can find in any market or liquor store. Actually, take that back. You don't find it in the liquor store. So any plant-based of your choice. It could be coconut milk or soy milk, which is very rich. This part where I'm showing you is called a nutritional yeast, where you get your B12. It smells very cheesy, and it is cheesy. So you're gonna dump that for a 1/4 cup. And if I have not included this sharing with you guys for your plant-based milk, it's gonna be 1 cup. So our next clip is gonna come on that I'm sharing you of this kind of amount that you need, and you're gonna dump that in your blender. Or if you have a food processor, that's even more better, but this is all I have. And yes, I'm gonna zoom in to show you how it looks like. Optional. If you want more flavor, put some garlic powder and onion powder. You dump a little bit, sprinkle over there, and you blend it, and voila, chicken Alfredo. Alright, next up, you're gonna cut some veggies so you get some veggie in your system. And there you go. Some it looks like chopped like sticks, some is just like square. Sorry, but there you go. It's all steamed up, ready to go, and we're gonna mix it up. But first, we'll do some noodles. Cook some noodle, because you can't live without noodles, right? Of course not. Alright, so from here on, we're gonna cook, and once it's well fully cooked, we're gonna dump onto a clean bowl. And on top of that, it's gonna be some veggie to the cashew that we made, which is chicken Alfredo, fellas. So there you go. You mix that, and guess what? You get this beautiful creation right here, and it smells so good and tastes so good. I want to give some credit once again to my mother who taught me this, or she had a patient do this for the family. So thank you, Mom. And this recipe is for you guys too. Woohoo!